The Revenue and Disaster Management Department, Meghalaya State Disaster Management Authority, MSDMA, ka Ranikor Sub-Division Ringkat, ka District Disaster Management Authority, Southwest Kasil District, Lingba ka jingitray lang bat ka National Disaster Management Authority, NDMA, Ministry jang ka Home Affairs ka Sarkar India ha Kandaitar ka Rempang, Arajap ni ka Pelong ya ka multi-state level mock exercise, halor jumai earthquake, Ranikor Civil Sub-Division Southwest Kasil District. Asyoban stang ya ka mock exercise, lapan paning kong ka siren na kapor, kadar shiteng singi bat ke jingkhenyu ujuman badan ya ke jingtho ba prapoin ar bat hadien kata marmar la pentrikam ya ke kenhun ya le persha ya ke jingja ne ke incident response team IRT da ke incident command IC balayalam da uba LT Taryang MCS Additional Deputy Commissioner in charge Ranikor Civil Sub-Division ke Southwest Kasil District but Upa S. Marwin, MCS Assistant Commissioner and Block Development Office Ranikor, CNRD Block, Kumi Deputy Incident Command, DIC Ringkat Batki Observer. Ke jing pen krea baro, kila board renti, ya ki jing betha jong UIC, ha kabala pentre kamru, ya ka Operation Section, OS, ka Logistic Section, LS, ka Planning Section, PS, ka Staging Area, SA, ka Medical Aid Post, MAP, but ka Relief Camp Manager, RCM, but ki wede ki jingdan kam. Ya ka nega state level mock exercise la plong kerpang Ranikor Civil Subdivision, ka bahapa po ka Ranikor CNRD plong, Southwest Kasil District, hakaba hakane ka mock exercise, kidan karangot ki brio ki bala mensang pat arngot ki bayam bat kumjuru la boru ye katu kat ni ki jaka bandan ke jingja kumha petrol pump badan ke jingplu ding ke jingha pat tua khendo hajan ke jingking bor basing ke jingha jong ka ying office jong SDO Ranikor Civil Subdivision bat ke jingha ke canteen ni ke dukan sha laban kedo bahag ni ke drill ka kentup i ka jing pen kenria ka jing wan bat paladim ka jing ai jing sumar ningkong bat ka jing kit i ki brio ki ba mensaw lingba ki ambulance sha medical camp bat Ranikor CHC.
This is a building collapse.
Weng na to kayo.
This is from SDO Civil Captain. We have to
request update. Please confirm 2 injuries and 1 death at your table casualty. One injured at your table casualty.
1 injury and 2 deaths.
Please provide update on injuries and casualties.
Ada stop mau tu. Budaya. Stop lah kai. Mentang ni mau stop lah. Injury. Sino kayo yang tap? Lambang tanah, mana?
Just after we discussed, you see that?
Yes, yes.
We have already
It's
discussed
already,
that.
yes, yes, yes. I heard.
Titi ko saksi ang
Earthquake never kills. What our buildings do. So that's why you have to know, we have to understand our role and responsibilities. So we need more training, more exercise in this mock drill, so that will help the people. Like what the people says in Giant Hills, in Eastern Hills District. So they thought that all disaster were the people of disaster, not the DDMA. It's a disaster people. You, the line department itself, you are the disaster resilience. I hope and I wish this Southwestern District, especially here in Ranikor Civil Sub-Division, I wish you all people or all the colleagues, I mean the employees here in Southwest to be resilient in all kind of any types of disaster. So disaster, not only earthquake or not only a landslide, but so many. So nowadays we focus on this social disaster. Social disaster also is one of the main disaster affect our state, especially in the young ones. So we try to help, or we try to find ways and means, what plans or what things we have to do, what kind of things we have to keep. Like you people here also, we need to give you this training like a psychosocial care. This is also is very important to help the people or to guide the people. We need some kind of skill, some kind of knowledge, so that the people they can rely on, and then they'll understand us what kind of role and responsibility. Not only to work in the office for our salary every month, so we try to work for the better life of the people of the country.
These are all important facts that we have to take into consideration. Then the leadership, I would like to mention now, that leadership doesn't mean what post or what star you're having. All right? Leadership means your proactiveness in dealing with the problem. Now, I heard one of the observers said that, you know, that the intercommunication between the staff and departments and the nodal officer at the sites. So these are, because that there is lack of leadership, no one is taking the lead to bend the cat, I could say. So we should take the lead to say, okay, let's do this, or what to do. And then by taking the lead, I think we can jump to a conclusion and we can solve the problem at a faster rate. So this is what I think we should look into ourselves and say that whether we have that contributed as a good leader to this problem. So I hope in the future that we are more proactive. We do not wait for orders only, but we should do what is right to do. Because in the event of the disaster, of any disaster, it is the proactiveness of people, proactiveness of the officer to go and save life. So this is what from my side, I think, but I would like to say that all of you have done a very good job. I would like to congratulate each and every one of you. Since morning, since yesterday, I think all of you have to come to Ranikor since yesterday to stay. And I hope that, but in the next mock drill, I think we will do even better. And I'm very happy when it comes to the online reporting, the photography, and the VHF said that they have reduced the communication to the VHF. The MPRO have done a very good job. We could send